Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use CapCut. But in this lesson, I will show you how to install CapCut in your Windows. First, open your web browser. In this example, I use Chrome, Google Chrome, and then click search. After that, write this CapCut www.capcut.com and click to open. First is CapCut for web, and then in this version is for Windows. And just click here. Wait until finish. Okay. Five seconds. And click open. Click agree. Install now. Wait for the installing process. And click start now. Okay, that's it. Easy to install CapCut in your Windows. Thank you.